If you suffer from plantar fasciitis, you know how debilitating the condition can be. The sharp pain in your heel can make it difficult to walk, let alone stand for long periods of time. And the longer you wait to treat the condition, the worse it can get. One of the best ways to treat plantar fasciitis is with a massager. The massager can help to loosen the tight muscles and tissue in your foot, which will in turn help to reduce the pain. There are a lot of different massagers on the market, so it can be difficult to know which one to choose. That's why we've put together a list of the 10 best massagers for plantar fasciitis to help you find the one that's right for you. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Burer MG149 Shiatsu Massage Cushion. Looking for a great way to relax after a long day? Check out the Burer MG149 Shiatsu Massage Cushion. This versatile massager is perfect for anyone looking for a relaxing, effective massage. The Shiatsu-style massage heads are firm but effective, and you can switch between clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. The massager also features a heating function for an even more relaxing experience. The elasticated strap makes it easy to attach the massager to any chair, and the compact size makes it easy to store. So if you're looking for a no-fuss way to get a great massage, the Burer MG149 Shiatsu Massage Cushion is the perfect choice. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Renpho Cordless Handheld Massager. This cordless massager from Renpho is great value and offers plenty of ways to give yourself an invigorating deep tissue massage. It has a powerful motor delivering up to 3,600 pulses per minute with 5 speed settings, so you can find the right level of intensity for you, as well as 5 interchangeable head attachments, including a 1-point head for massaging acupressure points and round ball head that simulates tapping for relieving deep tissue pain. It also uses infrared light to help improve blood flow. Its rechargeable battery will last for 140 minutes on a full charge, but to prevent you overdoing things and to stop it overheating, it'll automatically shut off after 20 minutes, which should be more than long enough for a rewarding massage. At number 3 on our list, we have the Theragun Pro. If you're looking for the best sports massager, the Theragun Pro Percussive Therapy Massager, 4th Gen, is it. This home massage gun delivers strong bursts of pressure to blast away knots and tension while improving blood flow. It's the most powerful massager available for at-home use, relying on ultra-fast pulses, around 40 a second, to penetrate muscles on a much deeper level. Those keen to get the most out of their massager will love its Bluetooth capability, allowing it to be synced with the Therabody app to create synchronized wellness routines. We also love the ultra-quiet brushless motor. It's quieter than the average electric toothbrush, so you can also relax fully without being bothered by the noise. At number 4 on our list, we have the HomeDix Stretch XS Massage Mat. The HomeDix Stretch XS is a stylish, innovative and effective home massage solution. Rather than pummeling your muscles, this massage mat has air chambers that inflate and deflate to guide your back, shoulders and hips through a series of supported stretches that you can relax right into. There are 4 sequences to choose from, each of which can be bumped up in intensity depending on your personal needs. It's surprisingly effective and soothing. It's not designed for medical use, but reviewers have commented that it's great for relieving back pain, and even a relatively flexible and able-bodied tester found it delivered a satisfying stretch. Head to our HomeDix Stretch XS review for more. This is also one of the most stylish massage mat options we've seen, and it rolls up into a neat and portable package when not in use. At number 5 on our list, we have the Burer MG280 Yoga and Stretch Mat. As an alternative to the HomeDix Stretch XS Massage Mat, the Burer MG280 Yoga and Stretch Mat has a lot going for it. Like the HomeDix option, it's designed to imitate yoga and stretching exercises, and it has 7 air chambers that inflate in order to give your shoulders, back and neck the attention they need. There are 4 preset programs with 3 intensity levels, so you can find just a right mix of stretching and massage for you, and if you want to turn things up a bit, there's also a heat function and the option to have a gentle vibration massage. The Burer MG280 is also foldable for putting away tidily and has its own carrying handle for easy transportation. At number 6 on our list, we have the HomeDix Shiatsu Max 2.0. Those with serious back pain need to find a massager built to apply strong pressure to the whole back, and this one from Homedix is one of the best you can buy. Designed like a chair, this home massager offers up 14 different massage programs of varying style and strength. A remote control also allows you to add heat and customize your massage with adjustable height and width settings. The best thing about this massager is it can be secured to any car seat or office chair, which means you don't have to be at home to use it, and instead you can get relief from aching muscles throughout the day. At number 7 on our list, we have the Buer MG10 Massage Ball. For targeted relief of tense muscles wherever you are, the Buer MG10 Massage Ball is just a thing to have with you. It's a small, 7.5 cm diameter, vibrating ball that's designed to activate and regenerate tense muscle groups through trigger point massage, and it's versatile enough to be used anywhere, whether you're standing, lying down or sitting. The MG10 uses 3 AAA batteries and has 2 speed settings, and it can relieve fascia agglutinations and hardness, as well as loosening up muscles wherever you care to place it. Its soft touch surface is easy to clean, however it smells a little rubbery for a while after you unpack it, and it's perfect for slinging in your sports bag. At number 8 on our list, we have the Homedix Luxury Foot Spa. If you know that your feet need the most attention, then focus on a device specially built to give them a little TLC. Homedix, the brand behind many of the best massagers on this list, has a few options designed to soothe tired toes, including this Homedix Luxury Foot Spa, which comes with a nail kit. It's like a mini spa for your feet and gives them a relaxing, jacuzzi-like experience thanks to bubble strips on the bottom of the device. Unlike other foot spas, it isn't just about the bubbles. Massaging nodes built into this foot spa are capable of giving you a foot massage to rival your local spa, but without having to pay a fortune. We can't think of a better way to relax before you fall to sleep than giving your feet the full spa experience from the comfort of your own bedroom. At number 9 on our list, we have the Homedix Gel Shiatsu Massage Pillow. If you want a massage pillow that doesn't require you to sit next to a power outlet, try this Gel Shiatsu portable pillow from Homedix. The massage nodes are made from squidgy gel, rather than being solid, to give a more natural feeling massage, and as usual, you can change the direction of rotation if you want to mix things up a bit, and there's a gentle heating function for added relaxation. This cordless massager is also one of the best looking we've come across, with simple and effective controls. However, in our Homedix Gel Shiatsu portable pillow review, our tester found it hard to get and keep in place for a satisfying massage. Other reviewers haven't had this issue, so it might be a personal thing. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Foreo Luna 3 Facial Massager. Most of the products you can buy for an at-home massage focus on your back, neck and feet. But face massaging has many benefits, including making skincare work better, reducing signs of wrinkles and keeping skin looking firm. Foreo is a Swedish beauty brand that's quickly becoming well known for its skincare tech, and the Foreo 3 is the latest version of its cleansing device and face massager rolled into one. This 100% waterproof device promises to effectively cleanse your skin, and you can hook it up to a companion app for a firming massage. If you care about your skin and already have a skincare routine you love, then add a bit of extra care and luxury to the routine with the Foreo Luna 3. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.